What's going on? This is Mitch with Native Survival School. We just broke 200,000 subscribers on this channel. Boom! So, we're going to do a giveaway. Stay tuned. Okay, so my battery's almost dead. We're gonna blitz through this. Okay, so we broke 200,000 subscribers. Thank you for this. I want to give you a thank you. I have 2 minutes left in my video, so bam, let's do it. Yeah, man, thank you so much for 200,000 subs. Crazy talk. I've been making videos for what, 9 years or something? So, I have a Native Survival knife. This is the Tiger Maple model, Native Survival Special. There are 3 models, right? Micarta, Standard. Special is Tiger Maple, and Elite is Bacote, like this, right? It's like a brown wood, right on. All right, we're gonna do a giveaway of a Tiger Maple, handmade by LT Wright Knives, Native Survival knife designed by me. I'm gonna show you a close-up in 2 seconds, and still has the oil on it from LT. And I'm going to give you details on what you need to do to put your name in the hat. Alright, so there she is. Comes with sheath, of course. I mean, you know, it's a brand new knife. It comes with the package, the whole bit. Beautiful blade. Oop, I almost cut myself. Wipe some of the oil off of it. Give you a quick look because I'm almost out of battery. Maple happy. Oh yeah. Oh, very nice. Oh, the magic maple. It's very cool depending on the angle of the light. And if you can get direct sun, it's nuts. It turns like yellow. Yeah, it's like 3D. It looks like it's nuts. Anyways, so Native Survival maple blade, handcrafted by LT Wright Knives. Ranger liners, and also in addition to this, knives are on sale in the store. This is for 2 weeks, for the whole duration of this giveaway. So for 2 weeks, knives are on sale, and this knife will be given away. Look at, oh man, oh, you like that? Oh yeah. Yeah, anyways. There it is. Beautiful knife. It's all yours. All you gotta do is comment on this video and say, I'm in, and tell me what your favorite Native Survival video is. That's it. Done deal. And then I'll send you a message. You just give me your email address, and I'll get your whoever wins, I'll get your address, and I'll ship it to you. Plain and simple. Now, how am I going to choose the winner? Well, on this video, you're going to say, I'm in, and what your favorite Native Survival video is. You know, I've got like 800 videos. Whatever your favorite one is. I don't care if it's the newest or the last, whatever, the first. I'm just, you know, it's kind of neat, right? So, if you're a subscriber, then you have to be a subscriber, and you have to tell me you're in, and you have to tell me your favorite video. And this is a thank you to my subscribers, Native Survival, Tiger Maple, and I'm gonna let this run for 2 weeks. And in 2 weeks, I don't know the exact day, whenever I can. In 2 weeks, I'm gonna film, like at my computer, I'll do one of those random number generators, and I'll just like start on the comments, like first comment's like number 1, you know, first comment, bro, you know, all the way up to whatever, 200 and something, whatever, how many people will comment on this. And, you know, you could have a 1 in 100 chance or less for, you know, like a $270 knife for free from me for being a subscriber. I don't care if you subscribe for 1 day, is this your first day, or if you've been a subscriber for 9 years. If you're a subscriber, you can get a free knife. That's it. This has been Mr. Native Survival. I appreciate all your views, all your comments, all your support over the years. 9 years now. I'm going to give away a Native Survival knife I designed. LT Wright in Ohio has built to perfection for me. I couldn't be happier. And it's a $270 blade. It's not a joke. And fresh out of the package. You get the sheath, the whole bit. Thank you so much for 200,000 subscribers. Crazy talk. I'll see you guys on the next video, and I'm looking forward to seeing your favorite videos as well. And in 2 weeks, somebody's going to be getting this. So in 2 weeks, I'll do this, and then I'll post it like as soon as I can, close to that 2 week window, and we'll get in contact with whoever wins, and I'll send you an email, and I'll get your address and all that stuff. All right. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a good day. Later.